Morning, all. How we doing? Morning, Khaled, Dave, Albu, Martin, Mr. Fox, Cade, Phoenix, Casper, Ollie, Mason. Glad you all are here. How we feeling this morning? I guess we could continue the conversation from Discord over in here. Yeah, Scott. Start vaping, trade shirtless, make people think I'm in exotic places and the subscribers will flock. Yeah. I don't know if I could even fake that, guys. I just don't know. I don't know if I'm an influencer, so to speak. I'm a really bad actor. Yeah, Scott. I mean, that move yesterday was wild. It was wild. Mason and I were sick to our stomachs because we dropped that 580 long way too early. Way too early. Granted, I didn't see a 700-point move coming at all. Yeah, Abu, I'm just going to be me. I mean, there's if people don't like me, so be it. If it's a failure, it's a failure. You know, I was perfectly content just trading by myself on calls with Mason and Casper and chatting in Discord. Perfectly content doing it. I mean, hopefully people eventually see the value here and find value. I like our community. I like what we've got going on. Yeah, 17 viewers already. Yeah. I mean, it will be strange that first time we have 100 viewers on a live stream. That'll be strange. Yeah, of course you're late, Nimkins. Of course you're late. This seems to be the trend lately. Nima's trending down. So today, morning, Kevin, welcome. Colin, welcome. Anybody talk to TA lately? Thomas? I don't think I've seen him around in over a week. I mean, I could be wrong. My mind just might not be working correctly this morning, but so really what I want to see, two things. In order to see more downside, I'm going to be longs only today, more than likely, unless I see rejections up here at 400 if we see a rip on the open. Morning, Hondo. Is this your first live stream? So yeah, if we see a rip on the open and we come up here and test 400 and reject, that would be the only short position I would be looking at today. I won't be taking even a break below this 220 level for me. I want to see a pullback. Okay, so I do want to see downside initially, but I won't be hopping on that move. I'll be patient because I really want to see what happens down here. Reason being, actually, let's go to the 1 hour. Reason being is these wicks right here. I want to see this get retested right here at around 140 and see what happens in between here. Because if we come back, this could be the move down to collect the buyers to move back up. Probably up into 400 at least. So that'll be my move. Oh, Mason's saying music isn't on. So there's no music for you guys? Let's fix that real quick. How's that? Let me know if you guys can hear the music now. It should be good. I'm getting signal on my end. Okay. All right. Yeah, I think you guys forgot about the delay. All right, we got 21 people in here now. Nice porn music. Yeah. Yeah, Andreas. Porn music with my porn name. Mason, speaking of which, after the stream today, we should hop on a call if you're going to be around. Kevin Mini sitting at 18,750. Oy. Oy. I don't know about a 500 point drop. I don't know if I'd be looking for longs. Let's see. Liquidity is lower right now. You can see all this. Not much above, so I'm thinking downside initially. Let's get back over to the 5 minute here so we can see what's going on. It's funny. I just got a text message saying Apex extended their sale. What do you know? What do you know? What do you know? Sorry, Mason. Didn't mean to prelude with the porn thing there, and then mention you. Yeah. Yeah, Martin. There should be some indecision after that move yesterday. Today might be a range day. Market might take a breath for a minute. We do have Michigan sentiment tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Eastern, so everything came out pretty much in line today. Kind of wanted to see more downside than what we're seeing here before I get active. Got VWAP at 280. And Nimkins, by the way, stop trying to place bets on my Lions, all right? Don't you jinx them. Looks like we still got some people rolling on in. I'm seeing 23 in here right now. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Appreciate all the love and support. I am trading an XFA today. It is the live stream XFA. Morning, DJ. Yeah, did you like that? I thought that was pretty funny. The Nimkins is typing this morning in Discord. That was pretty funny. Nothing to do here, guys. Unless you're a VWAP trader. I'm not going to be executing around VWAP. Still got this block at 200 here. I want to see all this get cleaned out down below. Like down here into 140 and maybe even a little bit below there. Next week, guys, the stream might be a little light. I'm not sure how much streaming I'm going to be able to do. Like Monday and Tuesday, they're moving everything out of my house so that they can start on the floors. And I think I have to be in the hotel by Wednesday, and I won't be able to be back in my house hotel stream. That's not happening. I am not tearing down the entire setup to take it to a hotel for a few days and then bring it all back and set it all back up. Not happening. I will still be trading, but I'll be doing it with a simple setup, a simple external monitor and my laptop. Yeah, Phoenix, it is rollover week. The timing couldn't be better. The timing could not be better. Intel is down short VWAP, Kevin says. No, it's just NVIDIA held an important level. Like that 100 to 105 area on NVIDIA and bounced. And pretty strongly bounced. No, there's no Lambos being bought here. All right, I like things that hold their value. Like Lamborghinis and Ferraris do not hold their value very well. As soon as you drive them off the lot, they depreciate like, I don't know, 10%. I will never own a Lamborghini or a Ferrari unless I have FU money. And even then, it probably wouldn't be a Lamborghini or Ferrari. Yeah, well, your Ferrari's like retro. It's a nice Ferrari. Yeah, I don't know what I own. I mean, currently I drive a Jeep Grand Cherokee. If that gives any kind of reference to the type of person that I am, I guess. If car suits personality, I suppose. Soccer mom. Nope, I don't drive a minivan. Yeah, I don't know what I've never really been like a car guy, so to speak. I mean, I like nice cars, don't get me wrong, but it's not, I'd rather have a nice house than a nice car. I'd rather not have a car at all and just live somewhere where everything is within walking distance. And that would be it. I'd rather travel than own a really nice car. I think there's nothing funnier than than driving than driving down the road, seeing some like beat up old house, and then out front is like $100,000 car. There's nothing funnier to me. Yeah, Ben. I mean, I'd rather experience things rather than own a toy to look at. Yeah, Abu, level up island. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Looking at the profits that people are making in our Discord, I swear, if we combined all our money, it would be lights out eventually. Shoot, we could start our own hedge fund. Yeah, Nimkins. Car on finance costing more than their rent. Yeah, that's exactly right. It's crazy. It's crazy that people will spend that on their vehicles, their cars, and yet will not spend that on the place that they spend the most time in, their home. It's crazy. And something that appreciates in value rather than depreciates in value. Oh man, what a choppy open here. Yeah, the 100K truck. That's got what, like a 2-foot lift kit on it, and about a 12-inch round, 12-inch diameter exhaust pipe. Yeah, it is loud as can be. And they're always driving right on your tailgate. They're always right up on your butt, driving down the highway. Loud as can be. Just obnoxious. Oh, did Mousy pass her eval? Nice. I don't even know if Mousy's here. Watching the stream. I really don't like this open, guys. I don't like it at all. Oh, Mousy, nice. Okay, so you're here. You're watching. All right, good deal. Just one of your fake accounts. Is it one of your cat accounts that you're on? That's funny. Yeah, Dave, I agree with you. This open is not it. Not it. I mean, look at all this wick action. Look at all these tops. It's like, which side breaks first? That is ugly. Morning, Michael. Welcome. Yeah, I mean, I've got the 2-minute here, and it's it's ugly. Ugly as can be. Morning, Chuck. Welcome. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Morning, Invictus. Looks like there's 25 of you in here right now. That's a good sign. That is a good sign. Stay hydrated, guys. Go ahead, Mason. Come at me. Come at me for drinking water. Tell me how boring I am and how bland I am. Oh, there's 26 people in here now. Hey, we're growing, guys. We're growing. Morning, Upulu. Actually, do you want me to call you Jack? I know your name's Jack. Do you prefer Jack? I know Mason wants me drinking like Monsters or Red Bulls or some energy drink or juice. Can you imagine me sipping on an orange juice? Get the caffeine going. I already had my coffee. That's all I need. I can't do energy drinks. They make me shake. Yeah, Phoenix, this is ugly. This is an ugly open. I can't do the energy drinks. They make my heart like race. Drink bourbon, just get sloshed on the live stream. One day, I tell you what, guys, if I have a live stream that I hit a 20K trade on, we will crack a bourbon for sure. No, Cade, no Jaeger shots. What? I mean, come on now. What are we talking here? Black licorice is disgusting. No, Mason, are you guys trying to make me throw up on the live stream? Like, is that what's going on here? 10K trade? Yeah, I mean, yesterday would have been, even on the one mini from the 580, that would have been, what did we say, Mason? A 14K trade if we were able to hold till the top? What is going on here with my heat map? Out of curiosity. Hang on one second, guys. I'm not quite sure why it just shifted all the way to the left of the timeline, but there we go. Yeah, 14K. We had a 14K position on. You know what we should have been watching, Mason? We should have been watching the ES down there at 5410 and it holding. That 5400 hold on the ES, guys, was pretty crucial and was the key to get long. The fact that it could not hold below 5400 the prior day and never got there yesterday was the key technical level that we all should have been watching, and we weren't watching. I wasn't watching it closely enough. Fridays with the boys was shot. Just everybody getting hammered. Oh, nice. Nice, Jack. Yeah, guys, I mean, I want to see down here. I'm thinking downside into here is what I want to see. That is the move I want to see. I come down, clean up some of this stuff, and then I want to see it hold for the long. Back up into 400. So hopefully we can catch one of those big trades today on the live stream. If I get in that position, I will stay on the live stream and let it play out. Yeah, Sanders, you had a heck of a day yesterday. Points-wise, that had to be, I mean, what'd you have, 700 points? $500 points? I mean, that's a big day. That's a big day. I don't care if you're trading micros. A trade is a trade. 600 plus points? Yeah, that's a big day. I think, let's see, my biggest futures trade ever was like 15,800 on one trade, but I was 5 minis long on that trade. And so what did each of them go for? You know, like 150 points, you know, but it was 5 contracts long. And I think that day total, I think I made a little over 18K. Yeah, it was only a few months ago that I hit that trade. It was a big day. It was a good day. No, DJ, the Microsoft play, Microsoft earnings play was, I think I was in Discord with Albu when that happened, and I told him what I was looking for at that time, and that was only 2 minis, and it went for like, I forget, 300 points or something like that. Instantly, pretty much. I mean, within 5 minutes. I told him what I was looking for. It did exactly what I wanted. I'm sure even Albu was astonished with that trade, though, because it was risky. But no, it was I don't even think it was a news event that was the 15K trade. I just think the market had dumped so much that it came into a level, and I initially only put 1 contract on at one of my levels, and then I actually took a little bit of heat on the position, but as it came back up into my level, it kind of wicked below my level, and then I added in as it was coming back into my original entry. And when all was said and done, I had added, you know, 4 minis on top of my original. So I was 5 contracts long, and then I got a really big like boost off my level after it reclaimed. And that's when I decided to hold. Initially, I was only looking for 20 points, but it kept running for me. I remember I called Mason and I was like, I just did something really stupid and I don't know if it's gonna work out. And then it just kept going. It's 5 grand up, 8 grand up, 10 grand up. I think the trade lasted all in all maybe an hour. I was in it with 5 minis. In fact, I remember I posted it in GG and Good Gains, and Matt was streaming at the time, I think, and I wasn't even tuned into his live stream, and all of a sudden my DMs started blowing up saying I need to tune into his stream. And realized that he was talking about my trade on his live stream. Yeah, Albu, the Microsoft trade was wild. The Microsoft trade was wild. I mean, but it was right at a technical level. The market had been trending up for a long time going into that. Everybody anticipated a beat on earnings. So I picked the level, and I pretty much knew where the NASDAQ was going to go if Microsoft had beat on earnings, which they did. And it basically just pumped right to my take profit and stopped. Yeah, this is ugly. This is ugly. It's hard to do anything here. Yeah, guys, if you could, hit that thumbs up button for me. We're still on the road to 500 subscribers. Really on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So tell all your friends, tell all your family. Let's get those subscriber counts up. Hashtag let's get Mason paid. And Nima, you knock it off. You knock it off. You stay away from my team with your betting money. No, Colin, don't antagonize. Leave it alone. Leave him alone. Yeah, I still want to see down here. This area. Right here. I just don't know how long it's going to take to get down there. We're not having any kind of momentum here. Either way. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, guys. The support seems to be holding okay right now. I want deeper pullback. Yeah, DJ, I don't see it there anymore. It's gone. It's gone. Now the biggest draw is up here at 315, somewhere around there. Looks like the play might have been this 220 long. Like, this is weak support here. That's why I'm not interested in this level at all. This will be stronger support. And I know every time we hit VWAP, it's just feels like it's just slowly consolidating in here, for bracing itself for the move. We just got to be patient. Yeah, so Ben, you can see all it really is the consolidation from overnight. Like, there's not even if you come out on the 1 hour, there's not a lot in here. Like, you have one red candle here sandwiched in between all this green. It kind of moves straight down through there. There's this gap on the hourly here as well. So it's just, there's not a lot there. Even if you go further back, all there is this. It's just not, I don't want to be operating there. Yeah, Albu, I'm just looking at, on the ES, that 5540 seems to be holding. I'd like for the ES to come down into this 55, what is the top of this wick? 5534 to 5532 or 5530 to see what kind of reaction we get there. That's the pullback I want to see. Whether we get, the market doesn't have to do anything, but that's what I want to see. We could just grind up, you know. We could go chase the overnight highs. In fact, where are they? Overnight highs are sitting at 19,343. But I agree with you, Albu. Like, for the ES to hold at 5540 is not good, in my opinion, for an entry at least. I mean, any of those 5400 longs on the ES are loving it if they're swing trading it, if they're still holding positions, or SPX options traders. They're loving it. They are just holding their positions. Yeah, Dave, I mean, you're asking to get chopped here. Getting involved in here. But guys, we had a huge move yesterday. Huge move. You know, more times than not, days after huge moves, we don't see a 10-minute pullback incoming, Max says. Thanks, Ben. Appreciate you. Have a good one. Don't work too hard. Yeah, that's the other thing that I was thinking about. Because of the way that I trade, it's going to take a while for people to flock to my streams because I'm not hyper scalping. You know, I'm not being extremely active in the markets, which is a good thing. Don't get me wrong. I will have the bigger trades eventually, but I'm not also copy trading 20 accounts or even 5 accounts on my live streams right now. So like the numbers, the profit totals that we're going to post are not going to be as big. But when I do hit one that goes for 8-9K on one mini or 2 minis, it should mean a lot more to the traders out there. Because the type of trades that I like to get into, if I were to be copy trading 20 accounts, would actually be, you know, $60,000-$70,000 trades copying 20 accounts. Which would be wild. Would be wild. I mean, guys, there's just no action in here. Yeah, Kev, you are taking a little bit of heat. I do like more. I want more downside. Let's put it that way. If that means anything. I think we do get this flush eventually. I just don't know when. I don't know when it's going to happen. I mean, everything appears to be holding up okay right now. And unfortunately for me, because I have a little bit of support here, I can't take the VWAP short down into this support zone and just have it come back on me right now. Like, so Kevin, your entry makes sense where you entered the short. You know, at the time it looked heavy below support, which in theory should turn this level into resistance, but it's just choppy. Hopefully I can catch a trade eventually. I'll be right back, guys. All right, we're back. I see I didn't miss anything. Hey guys, on the bright side, I haven't had any internet issues over the last 2 streams so far. I'm gonna knock on some wood. I know, because I shouldn't have said anything at all. I should have just talked about something else, but it was on my mind. It's in the back of my mind every stream now. Yeah, boo. As soon as I say it. Yeah, apparently. All I did was unplug the modem, plug it back in a half hour later, and everything seems to be working fine now. I guess the market is trying to decide what it wants to do here. That's a big pump off support. Well, Kev, are you still cooking is the question. That's not what I wanted to see. I see we got a new member in the Discord, Kim. So everyone go say hello to Kim in Level Up. Speaking of which, if you're watching, which is probably highly unlikely, but if you are watching and you aren't a member of the Discord, there is a link to a free Discord in the description down below this video. If you want to join a community of supportive, good traders, feel free to join. We hang out in there all day, every day, Monday through Friday. I like our little community. I think it's nice. Well, guys, I was hoping for something a little bit deeper. I will be watching both these levels to the north side up here to see what happens. 340 to 360. Let's move this up a little bit because it seems to be off kilter. And 400 to 420. I'll be watching both those. Yeah, Colin. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention either. I'm with you. I did not think this would hold. That's a lot of downside wicks. What's Nvidia doing? That is the question. Is Nvidia trying to reclaim 120? Let's see here. Nvidia at Close to 119. Yeah. Okay. So this move makes sense. Kind of want to hop on this long up into 400. We didn't get the pullback that I wanted to see, and I think that's the move. But I couldn't take it down here. Let's see what we do here at overnight highs. If we get the pump up here to 360 and come back down and hold this 340 area, I'll probably try the long up into 400. Looks like we've picked a direction. I don't know that I will hold the long much past 400 because I do expect sellers to try and defend that level. That would be in line with, what are we going to say, like 55.90 on the ES. Mason, did you take it? I know what you're seeing. I know what you're seeing, and I know what you're thinking. Did you take it is the question. Okay, yeah. Good man. Oh, nice. Nice. See if we can get this run of the overnight highs here and see what happens. Ah, Lee, I wish it would have pulled back deeper. Okay, there's the babies. Did it sweep overnight highs? Let's see here. Yeah, baby sweep of overnight highs. Got initial balance being set in about 8 minutes or so. Might just wait till IB is set and then engage, unless we can get this push to 360, come back down to 340 and hold. All the liquidity is still higher up here, even above 400. So I'm thinking we probably grind up. $100 block just popped up on the buy side there at 342, it looked like. Yeah, okay. Now Kev's probably still holding that position. Oh, I just don't know what I don't want to miss out on this. But I don't know where the entry is either. Right now. Let's try it. See if we can get this run. Kind of buying right up into resistance, so this is kind of risky, but I'll risk to 20. Yeah, this is probably a loss. I wanted to see it run that wick up there. With some strength, preferably. It's not getting that follow through. Trying to be patient here, guys. I want to see the follow through. I'm just not getting it. Just not getting it. Here we go. Come on. Alright, I've locked in a winning trade regardless. Oh, it just wouldn't go for me. Oh well. So that was a $50 trade. I mean, all the liquidity's higher still. So I'm thinking eventually we do run that top. It's just... it's fighting this resistance area right now. These overnight highs. Just had to be a little more patient, I think. I don't mind that kill, though. It's really struggling to push higher right now. I think it does eventually. I just don't know if we get a pullback first. This feels like a magnet right now. So how we doing today, chat? We green, we red. Were you able to avoid the chop? I mean, hopefully Kevin's not still holding his position. Nice, Jack. $170. That's, I mean, that's a solid morning for an hour's worth of work. An hour and a half. However long you've been sitting at your desk. Yeah, Namkins, I know. I had the move. I know. It is what it is. That seems to be the trend lately for me, is right about direction, wrong about timing. I just shouldn't have put my stop in. I should have just let it play out. I had the move. If we can come back down to 340 and hold above, I'm not opposed to trying it again. Well, there goes that trade idea. Instantly. Holy cow. Holy. Yeah. I don't know. You think my levels are properly placed? You know? Holy cow. Yikes. Yikes. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, I know, Mason. I know. Holy. Yeah, the NQ was like no higher. Instantly. 100-point ripper down. Oh my goodness. Did anybody catch that? Wow. Oh, I have no idea. Randomly 10:35 Eastern time, just 100-point ripper to the downside. I don't know. Did Nvidia hit 120? Like, is that what happened? Oh, man. Yeah, I am glad that I put in that stop. Holy cow. I mean, granted, I could have just targeted 360 and gotten $400, but man. Oh, Invictus, yeah. Yeah, way to get out, brother. Holy. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. I anticipated that. I mean, yeah. Yep. That makes sense. That makes sense. Nvidia hitting 120 and slapping. Yikes. Well, VWAP buyers getting rewarded again. Man, I was almost hoping for a little more flush. Like, come on down. Like, come down here. Please. Yeah, Colin. 30 minutes to get there, 3 seconds to retrace it all. Oh, man. And that's why we trade with stop losses, boys and girls. Donna, if you're here. This is an inclusive stream. And now let's just retrace the whole dump. How does that sound? You know? Wow. Anybody catch that? Anybody catch the 360 short? I mean, I don't know how you would into the buy up. That was wild. Absolutely wild. $360 was like, none shall pass. Wow. Oh, and now we're right back to where I don't want anything to do with price. Nor do I want anything to do with this volatility. It's wild. Oh, come on, don't do this. If you're going to dump, just dump. Don't let the VWAP buyers just win again. Man, that was wild. Let me look at NVIDIA real quick. Oh, we're coming right back into it, huh? Guys, be careful. NVIDIA's sliding around quite a bit, so the NQ is going to probably be fairly volatile while NVIDIA's doing this until it decides if it wants to take 120 and hold. I mean, NVIDIA sliding around 10 cents a clip is wild. Anyone have a club card for the 1 minute barcode? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Nimkin's the market looking like the people who match you on Tinder. Okay, an 80 block at 321 and a 54 block at 316. Which one? Okay. Yeah, tenor. I put a break even stop. I'm up 50 bucks. I'm up $50 on the session. I tell you what, guys, this is a pretty strong recovery. See if NVIDIA clips. No, NVIDIA's still not taking 120. Yeah, tenor. There's no way I'm not trading without stops these days. Not on minis, at least. What a rebound for ES off that 55.40. On the Russell? Let's see what's going on. Yeah, the Russell looks pretty clean with its levels. Russell looks really clean, actually. Yes, right back into that 55.70. I still want this to get retested. I think it almost needs to get retested. So it's going to be hard for me to take any longs up here. Because there's going to be heavy resistance here. Heavy resistance. It's going to take a lot to get through this level today. Clearly. That short. That was wild. I'm hoping going into London close in the next 45 minutes that we do get a sell-off. That's what I want to see. I mean, Kev, if you're here, what does your what does TikTok say? Wow, guys, we've had 61 views during this live stream. That's pretty good for my stream. That's pretty good. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Tomorrow we'll be trading with the boys. Yeah, Steve, it's chill. It's chill. Welcome, by the way. Glad to have you here. I mean, one day it probably won't be so chill. There'll be a lot more people chatting, which I'll have to pay attention to. But for right now, it's basically our Discord group that hangs out here. So for the meantime, it's a nice chill place. Hey, everybody in the chat, say hello to Steve. Steve, if you aren't a member of Level Up Discord yet, feel free to pop on over there. There's a lot of really good traders in there, a lot of good support. There should be an invite link in the description of this video. But yeah, feel free. Everybody's live trading over there in the voice chat, hanging out, swapping ideas, trade ideas. So yeah, if you want to join, it's a nice little community. It's completely free. But yeah, Steve, it will be chill. I'm never gonna be one of these flamboyant ripping my monitors off off my desk, throwing it out the window, screaming at the markets. Although that would probably get me more subscribers and viewers. But that's just not who I am. Lame, Colin says. I'm sorry. Yeah. I drink water, Colin. I'm lame. I don't smoke. I don't really drink alcohol. I'm lame. Punch Mac on a losing trade. Still needs to be a feature. Trading with the boys will be live tomorrow. Whether it's one boy or multiple boys, it will be live tomorrow. We're going to try to have that as a regular Friday segment. Should be highly entertaining. Nim. No, Nim, don't iron a shirt. Go shirtless. Come on, get those views. Tell all your 45,000 followers to tune in from Instagram. Yeah, Nim, I'm a little disappointed, actually. You got that many followers, and you can't pull any of them to subscribe? Come on. No, I have been, Nim, I have been bouncing around an idea. Mason and I have talked about it, actually, where, like, we come up with a game, not necessarily for trading with the boys, but maybe another segment where, you know, you have 4 traders on, 2 traders are on a team. One can only take longs, the other side can only take shorts, and you see who wins, who has the most profit at the end of the day. And we battle it out. Account roulette. No, that sounds like a terrible idea. My account is not going to be on the table. Let's say that. My account is not going to be on that table. Nope. Nope. You're not trading my personal tomorrow. Wow, what a recovery here. No, don't run away. Come back. Come back to 340. Sorry, guys, I got quiet. I'm kind of paying attention here. I want to see if I can maybe get this entry to run these tops. 400 feels inevitable. Actually, I probably shouldn't be taking a long up into support after that heavy sell off. The yikes. There we go again. Good thing I did not take that position. Holy. What did Nvidia hit 120 again? There's just too much selling in here for me to hop on the long. You can see all this red, all this aggressive selling on that push down. But this feels like a magnet up here. That's why I want the long, but I want it from lower is the problem. And I might not catch a trade the rest of the stream at least, but that's what I'll be looking for the rest of the day is that pullback, that dump. But it's going to be hard to short into all that strength from yesterday as well. And trade Nimkin's. Yeah, Sanders. Trade Nimkin's account. I tell you what, that 340 to 360 zone is a none shall pass area. They do not want the NQ getting to 400. This is good. This is good. Oh no, don't just chop here. Yeah, Scott. I mean, I don't know what to do here. Let's face it. Like, this is... This is ugly. I mean, what do you do? Just blindly buy VWAP into all this heavy selling? You know, like, is that the play? Is that the play today? You know, on the open it was short VWAP, now it's buy VWAP. And the funny thing is VWAP's hardly moved. It's completely sideways. I don't know. If we come back up here, I don't think this holds anymore. I think it's going through. Uh-oh. The quant tower just froze. Oh. Let me log out and log back in here. Dom's all funky. Well, later, Mason. Have a good one. I'm gonna try it. This feels pretty strong. We're just back down to like 310. Hopefully I don't get chopped here with some violent rip down. Looks like that might be what's happening or trying to happen. I'm starting to see sellers. Yep. I need to kill this. If I don't get some kind of push. All right, let's be safe about this here. Because I want to see the continued push through this level, actually. And I'd like to see a run up here to close to 400. I just don't know if we get it. Or if I get stopped first. Oh, stopped out. All right, guys, I'm probably going to call it there. I don't like anything right now. I wanted to see the strong push back through these highs, and we just didn't get it. So I'm going to end the day there, or end the stream there. I am up $135 on the session. So, yeah. I will be hanging out in the Discord for the rest of the day. Just trade safe today, guys. My reads would be, if you do see a heavy sell-off, I would look for longs off 120, shorts off 400 today. I don't know that we see much continuation outside this range today. I'd be shocked if we got much above 400, 420. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Trade safe, stay patient, and I will see you all tomorrow with Trading with the Boys. Peace.